Hi everyone, I am Chandrakumar from Sunway Technologies Private Limited. We are into water management company since 15 years. We are the master distributor for Kent sales and service. Now we are introducing Kent 8 liter water softener. Kent 8 liter water softener, a system will be coming like this. This is the box. We can open this. Okay. Kent 8 liter water softener means the 8 liters resins will be there inside the system. This is flow rate will be 1200 liter. Okay, this is in this system wall mounted and counter top also it will be installable. Okay, in this system there will be a adapter. It's a 12 volts DC, 12 volts AC adapter. Okay, in this system is the cap. Including the stand also available in the system. In this system, it's a fully microprocessor programming system. This is the inlet and outlet drain pipe. Okay. In this system, you can see this is a microprocessing program. We can put it on time based and day based system. Okay, if you have the regeneration in the days what time you require, that is also in this system is possible. Okay. The system will be like this. If you have here, you can see the timings. Okay, we can turn the timings 7, 8 like that, 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. like that. These also in the day, 5th day or 6th day. These also in the system. You can see here in this cylinder, it's a FRP cylinder inside. In this cylinder only the resins are there, 8 liters resins in the system. This is the salt chamber. Okay, you can pour the salt here. This technology called ion exchange technology. Okay, in this ion exchange technology, once water comes inside, it's going inside the cylinder. Inside the cylinder, resin beads are there. In this resin beads absorb the calcium and magnesium. Okay, 0 to 60 will be a pure soft water, 60 to 120 will be a medium, 120 to 180 will be a hard water. Okay, in this system, if you inlet water will be 400 hardness, outlet you are getting below 60. Every 2000 to 2500 liters the regeneration will be happen. In one regeneration, it's required 1.5 kg salt, 1.2 to 1.5 kg salt. Okay, in this salt chamber also, you can see there's a larger capacity. You can pour up to 10 kg salt. Okay, one regeneration it will be 1.5 kg it will be take. Monthly once, you can maintain the salt. Okay, how it's work, you can see here, this is the inlet pipe of the system. Okay. Once we are connecting to the inlet and outlet. Okay, this can be fitted for one bathroom or smaller area. It's a 1200 LPH flow rate will be there in the system. It's half an inch pipeline. It can be going for 2 washrooms also. Okay, smaller house there and all. It will be the systems can be installed. Inlet water will be going inside the barrel. In the resins and all absorbing the calcium magnesium, you are getting the soft water here. It's an inline process. No storage will be happen in the system. Okay. Once 2500 liter completed, 2000 to 2500 liter completed, immediately in the time base the programming will be changed into regeneration mode. Automatically salt water take into the system. It's a regenerated, means once observing the calcium magnesium, when salt water goes inside, the beads and all, it release the hardness. Okay, that is and all, it's going for the drain. In this drain water can't be used for any other purpose because it is the fully hard water. Okay, after finishing this completion of regeneration, okay, again the system will be turning for service mode. In the service mode, your water will be again, it will be same process will be happening. Okay, this is the Kent 8 liter water softener. Thank you.